Hello everyone, welcome back to the tutorial River channel. In this tutorial I'll show you how to find Facebook join date. First of all, open Facebook apps. Look at the right corner, tap on the three line, scroll down, settings and privacy, and then settings. Scroll down again, and then click on access your information. Continue. And now finally select this personal information. Now shown here your Facebook joining date. That's how you can do it. Hope you are enjoying this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial River channel for more video.